dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be solving a problem how to write a Boolean expression for a given circuit diagram and determine its truth table. The given problem is write a Boolean expression for y and determine its truth table. In this given diagram, a, b, c are the input variables and y is the output variable. Okay. As you are familiar with the logic gates, this is NOT gate, OR gate, NOT gate, AND gate. Okay. So, let us start the solution. When A is passed through the NOT gate, we will get here A bar. B is passed through this NOT gate and we are getting here B bar. When passed through the OR gate, we will get A bar plus B bar. Both the inputs are ORed when passed through the OR gate, and this input is passed through the NOR gate. So, we will get A bar plus B bar the whole bar. Okay. From here you are getting B and here you are getting C. The inputs for this AND gate are this 3 input variables. So, let us write what is AND gate. You know, if there are 3 input terminals A, B and C, what is the output? Output is A dot B dot C, multiplication of the 3 incoming input variables. So, here the 3 input variables A bar plus B bar the whole bar dot B dot C is equal to y. This is expression for y. So, what we can write? So, let me simplify this term here. A bar plus B bar the whole bar. Now, applied De Morgan's theorem to it. Which De Morgan's theorem you have to apply? NOR gate, A plus B the whole bar. So, it will come as A bar. Let us take this as one variable, this one as other variable. So, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So, here the first variable is A bar double bar dot B double bar by De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, this is De Morgan's theorem. So, what is A double bar? When you are taking complement 2 times, it becomes the same. So, it becomes A and it becomes B. So, it is A dot B. Why? We can write it here, because A double bar is equal to A and B double bar is equal to B, like this. Okay. So, what we can write after simplifying this term? We are getting A dot B dot C is equal to y. So, what is B dot B? B dot B is equal to B by rule of Boolean algebra. So, we will get, so B dot B becomes B, A dot B dot C is equal to y. This is expression for y for the given circuit diagram. Okay. So, like this you have to quote. What are the 3 laws we have used? One is De Morgan's theorem, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. The second rule is A double bar is equal to A, and the third rule is B dot B is equal to B. So, here by using Boolean algebra rules and laws, we can simplify a given expression. Now, we have to find what is its truth table. What is a truth table? It is a combination of input and output. So, input, what are the inputs here? Inputs are A, B and C. What is output? Output is y. And what is y? Y is equal to A dot B dot C. Okay. So, when we are having 3 input variables, how many possible combinations are there? Total 8. They are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, double 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, triple 1. For 3 input variables, these are the possible combinations for a input in a truth table. Okay. This is the truth table. Okay, now let us multiply. You know AND gate. What is AND gate? A, B, C. Output is A dot B dot C. What is AND gate truth table? A dot B, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. As per this AND gate, A dot B, output is 0, 0, 1. So, for AND gate what we can say? The output is high only when all the inputs are high. Okay? When all the inputs are high, the output will be high or 1. So, here if you observe in this combination, here all are 0. So, the output is 0. Here all the inputs are 1? No. So, it will be 0. Here all the inputs are 1? No. So, it will be 0. All the inputs are 1 here? No. So, output is 0. All the inputs are 1 here? No. So, it is 0 likewise. In the last case, all the inputs are high. So, the output will be high. So, in this way, we can frame or determine the truth table for the given circuit diagram. Okay. So, for the given circuit diagram, the expression for y is A dot B dot C. Okay. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.